Hi students, welcome to Prabhacharan Academy channel. Let's see about circulatory system. Let's start. Number 1. Pulmonary artery carries blood from answer A. Heart to lungs. Next. 2. Corneal graft are generally not rejected by the recipient because cornea is answer D. Non-vascularized. Number 3. The ions necessary for blood coagulation are answer C. K plus. Fourth, universal donor is the person with the blood group. Answer D. O. Fifth one, the chamber of the mammalian heart from which deoxygenated blood is sent for oxygenation is answer B. Right ventricle. Next, 6. Blood has no role in the transport of oxygen in answer D. Insect. 7th one, when calcium is removed from freshly collected blood, it will answer B. Prevent clotting of blood. Next, 8th one, pacemaker of the heart is answer A. SA node. Next, 9th, the least concentration of urea in mammals is carried in blood of answer B. Renal vein. Next, 10th, clotting of blood oozing out of a wound involves answer C. Conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin by thrombin. Next, 11. Buffer of the blood is answer A. NaHCO3. Next, 12. RH factor is named after answer A. Monkey. Next, 13. The diameter of capillaries for the RBCs to passes is answer B. Less than 5 nanometer. Next, 14. In an emergency situation, the safest blood group for transfusion is ORH negative. Next, 15. The normal diastolic pressure in an adult human being range between answer D. 60 to 90 mmHg. The nerve-like modified muscle in the right auricle is answer B. Pacemaker. Next, 17. The erythrocytes of mammals are non-nucleated except in answer D. Camel. Next, 18. A person with blood group O required blood transfusion. Blood of which group can be given to him? Answer D. O only. Next, 19. The white pus of an infected part in the body is composed of answer B. Dead leukocytes and blood serum. Next, 20. Urea is transported by answer D. Blood and plasma. 21. Hamburger's phenomena is also called answer B. Chloride shift. Next, 22. Impulses from the pacemaker initiate answer C. Both A and B. A. The ventricle to contract and the auricles to contract. Next, 23. Universal recipient is the person with blood group. Answer C. AB. Next, 24. If clumping occurs in a given sample of blood with both A and B serum, the blood group was answer B. AB. Next, 25. The sympathetic nerve causes the heart rate to answer A. Increase. 26. The vertebrate heart is classified as myogenic. Next, 27. A mismatch during transfusion of blood causes answer A. Agglutation. 28. Heart is neurogenic in answer C. Limulus. Next, 29. Artificial pacemaker is usually implanted to correct the defect in answer B. SA node. Next, 30. The pH of blood in arteries and veins is answer B. More in arteries and less in veins. Next, 31. Which of the following crosses will produce erythroblastosis fetalis? Answer C. RH negative mother into RH positive father. Next, 32. About 45% of blood is constituted by answer C. Plasma. Next, 33. Blood passes from the atrioles to venules through answer C. Capillaries. Next, 34. Carotid arteries carries Answer C. Oxygenated blood to the brain. Next 35. The instrument used to measure the blood pressure is answer A. Sphygmomanometer. Next 36. The largest lymphatic organ in the body is answer D. Spleen. Next 38. William Harvey is known for the discovery of answer D. Blood circulation. Next 39. The blood platelets are the source of answer C. Thromboplastin. Next 40. A condition characterized by an increase in the number of erythrocytes in the circulation is answer B. Polycythemia. Next 41. Diapedesis is answer B. Migration of cells through the walls of blood capillaries into the tissue spaces. Next 42. The life of erythrocytes in mammalian blood is about answer A. 120 days. Next 43. An excess of tissue fluid in the extracellular space is called answer C. Edema. Next 44. The process of blood cells formation is called answer C. Both A and B. Hemocytopoiesis, hematopoiesis. Next 45. The largest blood corpuscles is answer A. Monocyte. Next 46. The blood pigment of cephalopods such as sepia and octopus is answer C. Hemocyanin. Next 47. If blood cells from blood are eliminated, the liquid left is answer B. Plasma. Next 48. A person donating blood should have hemoglobin level of minimum 14 gram. Rh factor was discovered by answer B. Landsteiner and Weiner. Next 50. Emotions such as worry, anxiety, fear can elevate a person's blood pressure by answer A. A rise in the systolic pressure. 51. The circulation is of a single circuit system in fishes. 52. The least amount of urea is carried by the answer C. Renal vein. Next 53. Sinus tachycardia is a condition in which answer B. Pulse rate is about 100 beats per minute. Next 54. Rise in blood sugar level above normal is answer C. Hyperglycemia. Next 55. The white blood corpuscles and macrophages present in the lymph nodes remove answer C. Bacteria and foreign bodies from the blood. Next 56. The function of spleen in mammals is answer C. As a hemopoietic tissue. Next 57. Lymph differs from the blood in the absence of answer D. Erythrocytes. Next 58. Purkinje fibers are answer A. Specialized muscle fibers in the heart. Next 59. The lymphocytes protect from answer A. Pathogens. Next 60. Hemoglobin is found dissolved in the plasma of answer D. Earthworm. Next 61. Which of the following is correct? Answer B. Efferent atriole is narrower than afferent atriole. Next 62. Two large lymph vessels which return lymph to blood are the thoracic duct and right lymphatic duct, which opens into answer A. Subclavian veins. Next 63. The power of resistance to disease is called answer B. Immunity. Next 64. The regular cycle of contraction in the heart is called answer B. Systole. Next 65. The condition known as heart block results in answer C. Alteration of the rate of heartbeat. Next 66. An invertebrate which closed circulatory system is answer B. Earthworm. Next 67. Thromboplastin facilitates answer B. Conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. Next 68. The coagulation of blood occurs due to answer C. Change of fibrinogen into network of fibrin. Next 69. A vein differs from an artery in having answer B. Valves to control direction of flow of blood towards the heart. Next 70. Blood pressure is answer A. The pressure exerted by the flow of blood on the arteries. Next 71. In vertebrates, thrombin is important for clotting of blood. Next 72. A person with both A and B antibodies in the plasma and no antigen in RBC belong to the blood group. Answer D. O positive. Next 73. An antigen is a answer B. Stimulus for antibody formation. Next 74. The ECG method is needed to detect abnormalities in the heart for answer C. Both of this. Next 75. The opening of the right auricle into the right ventricle is guarded by answer B. Tricuspid valve. Next 76. Which of the following food causes an increase in total blood volume in our body? Answer D. Excess salt intake. Next 77. Spleen and lymph nodes have answer C. Both A and B. B cell only, T cells only. Next 78. Blood group A contains answer A. Antigen A and antibodies B. Next 79. Blood leaving the lungs is rich in answer A. Oxygen. Next 80. An antibody is answer D. A protein molecule. Next 81. SA node is found in answer C. Heart. Next 82. The largest artery in the body is aorta. 83. Formation of RBC in a normal human adult occurs in answer C. Bone marrow. Next 84. To store blood, some anticoagulant is added. It can be answer B. Sodium oxalate. Next 85. The blood vessels which are supplied with two sets of nerves which causes vasoconstriction and vasodilation are answer A. Arteries only. Next 86. Venous heart is present in answer B. Elasmo branches. Next 87. The heart rate of a normal adult man can increase to in vigorous exercise. Answer B. 200 beats per minute. Next 88. The cells having immunological memory are answer C. Both A and B. Answer A. T lymphocytes and answer B. B lymphocytes. Next 89. Epinephrine causes a relaxation of the walls of arterioles serving the answer A. Skeletal muscles. Next 90. The thickest wall in the following is seen in answer C. Left ventricle. Next 91. Natural immunity is a condition obtained by answer A. Inheritance from one's parents. Next 92. The blood platelets are the source of answer B. Thromboplastin. Next 95. The vessels which supplies blood to heart is answer D. Coronary artery. Next 96. The plasma proteins concerned with immunity are answer C. Gamma globulins. Next 97. Which of the following blood pigments contains copper? Answer B. Hemocyanin. Next 98. The diastolic blood pressure in a healthy person is answer A. Less than systolic pressure. Next 99. Bulk of carbon dioxide is carried in the venous blood in the form of answer B. Bicarbonates. Next 100. Iron free compounds of hemoglobin is answer A. Globin. 101. QRST is related to answer A. Ventricular contraction. Next 102. Failure of lymph circulation could affect answer D. Transport between the body cells and blood. 103. Neurogenic heart is seen in answer B. Cockroach. 104. A heart sound which is high pitched, louder, sharper and shorter in duration is the result of answer D. Closure of semilunar valves. Next 105. Macrophages arises by the enlargement of answer C. Monocytes. 106. In a healthy adult human being, the normal diastolic pressure is answer B. 80 mmHg. 107. Rate of heartbeat is controlled by answer B. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves. 108. During diastole answer D. The blood enters the heart. 109. Antibodies are found in answer C. Lymphoid tissues. 110. The specialized muscle fibers called the bundle of His is situated in answer D. The septum dividing the right and left ventricle. Next 111. Arteries are answer B, thicker valved and blood flows under high pressure. Next, 112. Chordate tendinae in the heart are found in answer A, ventricle. Next, 113. The chief difference between the erythrocytes of man and frog is answer D, human erythrocytes have no nuclei. Next, 114. Serum differs from plasma in answer B, absence of fibrinogen and other clotting factors. Next, 115. Blood flows out from the heart through the answer C, aorta and pulmonary artery. Next, 116. Potassium oxalates prevent clotting of blood by answer A, removal of free Ca++ ions. Ca++ ion means calcium 2 plus ions. Next, 170. Normal pulse pressure is answer C, 40 mmHg. Next, 118. Large phagocytes destroy the worn out RBC in answer D, liver, spleen, bone marrow and lymph nodes. Next, 119. ECG is a recording of the answer D, the electrical changes in the heart during its contraction and relaxation. Next, 120. In man, blood passes from the post-caval into the diastolic right atrium of the heart as a result of answer D, pressure difference between post-caval and atrium. 121. Rh antigen and blood group antigens reside in answer C, plasma membrane of RBCs, leukocytes and platelets. Next, 122. In man, the portal circulation carries blood from the alimentary canal to the answer C, liver. Next, 123. Which of this is present in the heart of frog? Answer B, SA node. Next, 124. Thrombokinase is answer C, released by blood platelets. Next, 125. The sinus venusus in the heart of frog. Answer A, receives blood from major veins and passes it into right atrium. Next, 126. In prawn, the heart pumps answer B, oxygenated blood. Next, 127. The impulse of the heartbeat originate in answer C, cuneicular node. Okay. Next, 128. In human blood, the number of leukocytes per cubic mm is about answer C, 4,000 to 12,000. Next, 129. Mammals have biconcave RBC. The physiological use is for it is answer B, to increase the surface area. Next, 130. Mark the odd one out. Answer D, erythrocytes. Next, 131. Ringer's solution contains answer D, sodium and potassium ions. Next, 132. AV node is the heart of man is answer A, pacemaker. 133. When heart is stimulated through vagus nerve. Answer B, the heart rate will decrease. 134. pH of human blood varies between answer C, 7.3 and 7.45. Next, 135. Largest erythrocytes in vertebrates are found in answer B. 136. A man becomes unconsciousness if the blood supply to the brain is cut off for answer C, 5 seconds. 137. A yellow substance oozing out from the wound has answer D, lymph plus dead leukocytes. 138. The blood protein which maintains normal blood pressure in man is answer C, albumin. 139. Most important center for formation of lymph is answer A, liver. Next, 140. The blood of rabbit differs from that of frog in that answer A, the RBC have no nuclei. Next, 141. A blood clot inside a blood vessels is known as answer A, thrombo. 142. Labile factors and Christmas factors are associated with answer D, blood coagulation. 143. RBC would burst if kept in answer A, hypotonic solution. 144. The ratio of RBC to blood plasma is expressed as the answer B, hematocrit. Next, 145. The medium of plasma is answer B, basic. 146. Like the blood vessels, the cavities of the heart are internally linked with Answer A. Endothelium. Next 147. Which of this does not depend on a large surface area for its efficient functioning? Answer D. Typhoid sole of alimentary canal of earthworms. Next 148. Of the circulating WBC, neutrophils on an average make up. Answer C. 60 to 70% of the total WBC. Next 149. Blood platelets are formed by the pinching of protrusion for the surface of. Answer C. Megakaryocytes. Next 150. RBC are formed in. Answer D. Bone marrow. 151. The pulse beat is measured by. Answer A. Artery. 152. A portal system is in which. Answer D. A vein breaks up in an organ into capillaries and restart by their union as a new vein in the same organ. Next 153. Number of RBC in man increase if he lives at higher altitude because. Answer B. There is less oxygen. Next 154. Mammals are said to have a double circulatory system. It means that. Answer B. There are two systems, one from the heart to lungs and the other from rest of the body. Next 155. Cords of Billroth are blood spaces found in. Answer A. Spleen. Next 156. One of the chief differences between circulatory system of frog and rabbit is that there is no. Answer C. Renal portal system in rabbit. Next 157. Which of the following tissue is least likely to be rejected by the body if transplant is performed between two unrelated persons? Answer D. Cornea. Next 158. The left ventricle. Answer C. Builds up more pressure than the right one. Next 159. Type O is said to be a universal donor because it has no agglutinins in the RBC. Next 160. Which bicarbonate ions diffuse from red blood corpuscles into the plasma? The increase in hydrogen ion concentration in the corpuscles is balanced by the entry into the corpuscles of. Answer D. Chloride ions. Next 161. Iron in hemoglobin exist as. Answer C. Ferrous ions only. Next 162. Universal recipient is the person with the blood group. Answer D. O. Next 163. The normal volume of blood pumped by the heart into the systematic aorta with each beat is approximately 75 ml. During vigorous exercise, this increased to. Answer D. 200 ml. Next 164. Which of the following is correct? Answer A. Left auricle receives oxygenated blood from the lungs. Next 165. Vitamin necessary for blood clotting is. Answer D. K. Next 166. Significant role in clotting of blood is played by. Answer C. Thromboblast sites. Next 167. Clot of blood contains. Answer D. Fibrin. Next 168. A pacemaker is meant for. Answer C. Initiation of heartbeats. Next 169. Neutrophil serves as. Answer C. Macrophages. 170. The diameter of the capillary from which erythrocytes passes is. Answer B. Less than 4 micrometer. 171. In the heart of frog, which part act as a pacemaker? Answer A. Sinus venusus. 172. The substance that prevent blood coagulation in blood vessels is. Answer A. Heparin. 173. Thrombosis in which coronary artery is met most frequently in MI, myocardial infarction. Answer A. Right coronary artery. Next 174. The removal of thymus gland in a bone will causes all of this. Answer A. Non-development of lymph nodes. Answer B. Deficiency in cellular immunity. Answer C. Non-rejection of tissue graft from other animals that differ from it genetically. Next 175. Erythropoietin is secreted by kidney when a person with normal RBC count. Answer A. Moves to a very high altitude for a few weeks. 176. An increase in the concentration of CO2 in the blood also reduces the O2 combining capacity of hemoglobin. This is known as. Answer A. Bohr's effect. 177. Innominate is. Answer B. A bone and an artery. 178. The RBC of mammals are non-nucleate and biconcave to. Answer A. Increase the surface area. 179. The heart of a frog differs from that of rabbit by the presence of. Answer A. Sinus venuses. 180. Lymph nodes help to answer A. Destroy bacteria. Next 181. Blood vessels carrying blood from lungs to heart are answer B. Pulmonary veins. 182. Normal hemoglobin content of healthy man per 100 ml of blood is about answer D. 14.0 to 16.0. 183. Clotting is essentially a function of answer C. RBC and serum. Next 184. Heartbeats are accelerated by the answer D. Sympathetic nerves and epinephrine. 185. The hepatic portal vein of man collects blood from answer D. Intestine, stomach, pancreas and spleen. Next 186. The blood regulates the concentration of various substances in our body. It is regulated in turn by answer D. Liver, lungs, kidney and intestine. Next 187. The chemical basis of the action of nerve on heartbeats was discovered by answer A. Otto Loewi. Next 188. The venous system of frog differs from that of rabbit in the presence of answer B. Renal portal system. Next 189. The first heart sound is answer C. Lup sound at the beginning of systole. 190. The renal portal system of frog is significant for answer D. Elimination of nitrogenous base in the kidney. Next 191. Blood is answer C. A liquid connective tissue. 192. Thrombin occurs in vertebrates in answer B. Blood and is important for clotting. Next 192. Thrombin occurs in vertebrates in answer B. Blood and is important for clotting. Next 193. For reaching the left side of heart, the blood must passes through answer A. Lungs. Next 194. The filter of blood in the body is answer D. Spleen. 195. Granulocytes are formed in answer D. Red bone marrow. Next 196. In sickle cell anemia, which of the following is changed in hemoglobin? Answer B. Beta chain. Next 197. Which range of pH of blood could be fatal for an individual? Answer A. Below 7 and above 8. Next 198. The normal blood flow through renal arteries of the kidney per hour is about answer A. 70 liters. Next 199. Presence of RBC in urine is known as answer B. Hematuria. Next 200. The iliac artery carries blood to answer D. Hind leg. 201. Which of the following does not have an immediate effect on the rate at which the heart beats? Answer C. Administration of thyroxine. Next 202. Chemically antigens are answer A. Proteins. Next 203. Blue color of skin in a baby is due to mixing of oxygenated and non-oxygenated blood as a result of answer D. Non-closure of foramen oval. 204. T lymphocytes in the presence of antigens become transformed into answer D. Lymphoblasts that do not secrete antibodies. Next 205. In frog, the sciatica vein pours blood into answer B. Renal portal vein. Next 206. The time interval between two normal human heartbeats is answer C. 1 second. Next 207. 100 ml of normal blood carries approximately the following amount of oxygen. Answer B. 20 ml. Next 208. Which is not found in rabbit. Answer B. Renal portal system. Next 209. Which substance is more in blood flowing through hepatic vein than in blood flowing through hepatic portal vein? Answer B. Urea. 210. Valves are present in answer B. Veins. Next 211. The reticuloendothelial system defends the body against microorganisms and includes answer D. Both B and C. B. Macrophages which are fixed in one place. Answer C. Phagocytic cells in reticular tissue which wander around in the tissue spaces. 212. Largest number of WBCs are of the type answer A. Neutrophils. 213. The disintegration of RBCs and subsequent release of hemoglobin is termed as hemolysis. 214. The lymphocytes that interact with an antigen and get transformed into plasma cells are the answer B. Lymphocytes. Next 215. Antibodies are secreted by answer C. Lymphocytes. 216. The blood vessels which permit exchange of nutrients, gases and waste product between blood and tissues are answer A. Capillaries only. Next 217. RBCs are absent in answer B. Cockroach. 218. The heart of a monkey has answer C. 4 chambers. 219. The rate of heartbeat is controlled by answer C. Medulla oblongata. 220. Blood circulation in man is answer C. Complete double circulation. 221. The diameter of the lumen of the vein is bigger than the arteries because answer C. There is only one coat of tunica media. 222. Christian factor is associated with answer C. Blood coagulation. 223. When the partial pressure of CO2 in blood increase, the oxygen dissociation curve shift answer A towards the right side. Next 224. Spleen is supplied by answer B. Coeliac artery. 225. ECG records answer D. Potential differences. Next 226. The breakdown product of hemoglobin is answer A. Iron. Next 227. An abnormality in which heart valves become leaky and narrowed, reducing cardiac function may be due to answer C. Rheumatic fever. Next 228. The pH of the blood is maintained balancing the ratio of answer B. NaHCO3 and H2CO3. Next 229. A two-chambered heart is found in answer B. Fish. Next 230. Which of this is the odd one? Answer A. Erythrocyte. Next 231. After vaccination, the body builds up answer B. Antibodies. Next 232. What will happen to the body of an adult man if spleen is removed? Answer D. Filtration of dead RBC will not occur. Next 233. In a normal adult man, the blood pressure is 120 by 80 mmHg. Next 234. Poikilothermic or exothermic animals are those in which answer C. Body temperature changes according to surrounding. Next 235. Blood circulation that starts and ends in capillaries is called answer A. Portal circulation. Next 236. The vessels leading blood to Bowman's capsule is answer A. Afferent arteriole. Next 237. Erythrocytes destroyed per day in our body are about answer A. 1% of the total. Next 238. If human blood is mixed with distilled water and examined under a microscope, the RBC would have answer B. Burst. Next 239. Heartbeats are controlled by a nodal tissue composed of answer A. Purkinje fibers. Next 240. A mature human erythrocyte has the typical characteristic of answer B. A prokaryotic cell. Next 241. In the tadpole stage, the blood circulation is likely that of a fish because answer B. The blood from the heart flows through the gills. Next 242. The chief function of lymph nodes in mammals is to answer C. Collect and destroy pathogens. Next 243. The internal device to maintain body temperature constant is answer B. Variable blood circulation. Next 244. Squeezing of leukocytes out from the endothelium of capillaries to fight foreign agents is known as answer A. Diapedesis. Next 245. Passive immunity can be obtained by injecting answer D. Vaccination having weakened germs. Next 246. Artery supplying blood to diaphragm is answer D. Phrenic. Next 247. The blood pressure is measured by answer B. Sphygmomanometer. Next 248. When RBCs cling to each other and resemble a pile of coins, the structure is called answer C. Raoul yolks. Next 249. What amount of blood is ejected by ventricle per minute? Answer B. 5 liters. Next 250. The blood returns from lungs to heart first in answer C. Left auricle. 250. Question number. The blood returns from lungs to heart first in answer C, left auricle. Next, 251. Normal cardiac output in man is approximately 5 liters. Vigorous exercise can cause an increase of cardiac output up to answer C, 30 to 40 liters. Next, 252. Erythropoietin, a hormone, stimulates erythrocyte and hemoglobin synthesis is secreted by answer B, kidney. Next, 253. Homograft transplantation includes answer A, the transplantation of a tissue or organ from other membrane of the same species. Next, 254. In a mature rabbit and in mammals, the RBCs are formed in answer D, bone marrow. Next, 255. Prothrombin, which helps in clotting blood, is released by answer A, platelets. Next, 256. In vertebrates, the old and defunct RBCs are broken down and filtrated out by answer D, spleen. Next, 257. The nervous modified muscles in the right auricle of man is known as answer C, SA node. Next, 258. The RBCs of mammals are answer A, circular and biconcave. Next, 259. If a child's blood does not clot, he is advised by the doctor to take answer D, vitamin K. Next, 260. The heart murmur is due to answer B, defective leaky valve. Next, 261. In frog, the hepatic portal vein is formed by the union of answer A, gastric, intestinal and splenic veins. Next, 262. The lymphoid tissues such as lymph nodes, spleen and thymus produce answer B, lymphocytes and monocytes. 263. Which of this is true or B, lymphocytes? Answer A, they secrete antibodies. Next, 264. If glucose is to be injected into human blood, the property to be matched with glucose is answer C, osmotic potential. Next, 265. If the heart is cut from the body of frog, answer A, it will continue beating for a long time if it is kept moist. Next, 266. The post cavale in the right auricle of a mammalian heart is guarded by answer D, Eustachian valve. Next, 267. Blood bank of the body from where blood can be mobilized is answer D, bone marrow. Next, 268. Antibodies defend the body from invading antigens by answer A, combining with it to abolish its free mobility and preventing it from acting in a damaging manner. Next, 269. Blood groups are named because of agglutinogens present in answer C, RBC. Next, 270. The plasma in blood group A person have antibodies of type answer A, B type. Next, 271. Phalangium is the part of answer D, truncus arteriosus. Next, 272. The type of leukocytes which engulf bacteria in the blood are answer D, monocytes. 273. Sickle cell anemia is more common in Negroes in South Africa because of answer C, change in beta chain of hemoglobin. Next, 274. Human spleen functions answer D, control blood volume. 275. Which of this is false? Answer D, arteries have walls whereas veins lack walls. It is false. A, B and C. These are true. Arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. It's correct. Next, arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry blood towards the heart. It's also correct. Then C, arteries are thick-walled and veins are thin-walled. It's also correct. Then D is wrong. Next, 276. The number of RBC in an adult man per mm cube of blood is answer A, 5 lakh. Next, 277. Pacemaker is answer C, sino-auricular node from which the impulse of heartbeat originate. Next, 278. The blood returning to the heart from the lungs has more answer C, oxygen per ml of blood. 279. In case of allergy and urticaria, the local arterioles dilate due to increased substance from mast cells, which is called answer A, histamine. Next, 280. Cells in blood that destroy invading disease producing bacteria are answer B, WBC. Next, 281. Stem cells from the bone marrow after entering lymphoid tissue mature into answer C, B, lymphocytes. Next, 282. Cellular immunity is provided by answer A. T lymphocytes. Next, 283. Elastic wall is seen in answer C. Dorsal aorta. Next, 284. When whole blood is stored with an anticoagulant at 4 degrees Celsius, the K plus ions move out from RBC into plasma. The most likely reason for this is that answer B. Active transport ceases, resulting in ionic equilibrium. Next, 285. Clotting of blood is delayed by answer C. Heparin. Next, 286. Which is not essential for blood clotting. Answer B. Fe2 plus ions. Next, 287. A human female with blood group A has answer B. Antigen A on RBC and antibody anti-B in the serum. Next, 288. Membrane surrounding the heart is answer A. Pericardium. Next, 289. Universal donors have no antigens in RBC and have both A and B antibodies. They belong to blood group. Answer D. O blood group. Next, 290. The number of blood platelets per cubic mm in human blood is about 2 lakh to 4 lakh. Next, 291. A person with antigens A and B and with no antibodies belong to blood group. Answer C. AB blood group. Next, 292. Carotid artery carries answer C. Oxygenated blood to the heart. Next, 293. Sciatic vein in frog pours blood into answer D. Renal portal vein. Next, 294. Which one of the statement is correct with reference to the circulation of blood in a mammal? Answer A. Left auricle receive oxygenated blood from the lungs. Next, 295. Femoral artery supplies blood to answer D. Dorsal region of thigh. Next, 296. The sample of a healthy human blood is answer A. Alkaline. Next, 297. Erythroblastosis fetalis may occur in one of the following combinations. Answer D. RH plus husband, RH negative wife. Next, 298. In vertebrates, O2 is mainly transported by answer B. Hemoglobin of RBC is combined form. Next, 299. The heart of a healthy man beats normally per minute. Answer 70 to 80 times. Next, at last 300. For reaching left side of heart, blood must pass through answer C. Lungs. Thank you, students. Let's see in next video.